Hey guys, so I'm back with another restaurant review. So today we went to this cute little gorgeous restaurant. It's called the Julie Mango Restaurant and it's located in the MAYFAIR Hotel in Kingston. So at the end of this video, you guys can just stick around. We will be doing a review.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey.
So we tried the skewer thingy. It came with the peanut sauce, but I'm not a fan of peanut. However, I still wanted to try something new, and I tried it. If you like peanuts, you will like it, but peanuts is not for me. So I went ahead and ordered additional sauce, mango sauce, and I tried it with a skewer, and it was perfect. By the way, you don't need any sauce at all. You can just eat it just like this. So that's a good thing, and it's not dry, it's very moist. So that's perfect. You don't need a sauce with this one. See? It's so soft on the inside. So flavorful.
Keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter.
So we finished having our meal, and I figured we'll just do a little review of the food. Let's start with the of course. Yeah, I think the food is bomb.
Yeah. We had the appetizer. The appetizer was decent. We never really liked the sauce. Per se, it was like a peanut sauce. Never really liked that.
Well, initially we saw that on the menu that it was a peanut sauce.
So it's not like
we still went ahead and decided to try it because when you're going out, you have to try new stuff.
Try anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
It wasn't bad.
no, the
Chicken was nice.
It was very tender. On the inside, it was soft. It did not need any sauce at all.
Yeah,
So
very good actually.
I really liked it.
And what would you say about the main course now? We got the
ordered-
same thing, but she got the
Salmon.
salmon and I got the lamb.
Yeah. It was perfect.
Yeah, I don't have any problem about it. It's really nice.
It's no complaint at all with the food. Everything was just the presentation.
The presentation was on point, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. It came in a pot, as you guys can see earlier. And you know, the smell of it was just it was so enticing. I'm sorry. It was very enticing. It was yummy. The looks of it, the taste of it, everything about it was pretty awesome.
Yeah, so we're definitely giving them
10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for that. The food was good. The food was good. You didn't really like your drink though.
No, I ordered the whiskey sour, and let me just explain that. I'm not the type of home girl that likes those nice drinks. You know, the
Mixed drink.
The mixed drinks. I'm not that type of person. It's either hard liquor or wine. However, you know, it's a new year. You have to try new stuff. So I went ahead and ordered the sour thingy. Whiskey sour, but it's not my jam at all.
Mine was okay. It was one of those bottled wines. It's not like I feel like they have any control over the taste, but it was decent. It was pretty decent. Alright, so we're talking about the ambiance now.
It's perfect.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
sorry. I have no complaints at all about this place. Everything is just nice.
I like it. It's very different from most of the restaurants that I've been to. The color scheme is what I really like. The green and yellow is a nice little combination going on. It's very bright. And if you have the option to dine inside and outside, which is what I like as well. And it's nice. It's a pretty decent vibe.
This is a good vibe.
Date night, maybe friends with.
Date night for sure. Yeah, because of the whole environment. It's pretty chill, and probably if you come in at nighttime,
It's
outside
nice
would be
too,
perfect
yeah.
and kind of some romantic in.
Yeah. So guys, if you're listening, you can bring your ladies here.
Yes, if you want to bring us, just invite away.
No, but I'm not kidding. If you look nice.
You're not kidding?
If you look nice. And if you know about the vibe and the life, maybe. You have to pass the vibe
If
check.
about food life. It's perfect. I would say customer service. She was
yeah.
nice. I don't remember her name, but she was pretty cool.
Yeah.
I mean, overall, there's no complaint at all.
Yeah.
With food, ambiance, customer service, everything is
It's a good
top
choice.
notch.
Yeah. I like it.
So no complaints
I
at
dig
all.
it.
It's pretty rare
Yeah.
to not have any,
Yeah,
to not have any complaints in Jamaica.
I know, right?
And I'm wondering if it's a time that we came because it's an early lunch that we had.
Yeah, so there's not a lot of
But
persons
even, I
here.
don't think the time even matter because sometimes you go to a certain place and it
It's
doesn't matter the
still-
time of day.
Yes, that is true.
Time of day.
Yeah, that's true.
I had a good
It's
time.
Good.
My belly is really full.
Yes, and that is also important as well. But
The serving wasn't bad.
yeah, man, good service side. So I guess
That's it.
yeah, 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Tell a friend.
Yes. I do recommend coming here. Of course.
I would
It's
recommend.
bomb.
I would recommend
It's
it.
bomb. It's affordable.
Yeah,
And I will come here again.
I would.
Yeah.
Try the brunch.
Alright, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Like, just remember. Oh, by the way, guys, remember I told you I'm not seeing a lot of comments in my thing. Like, you guys
Gotta
need to
run
be-
that up.
Yeah, just make a list of comments because I'm not sure if you guys like my content or not. So
Yeah. Feedback
just
is
make
important.
some feedback. So let me know. So just make a comment down and let me know what's going on with my channel. If you like it, if you dig it, if I should do something else or whatever it is. So any recommendations is needed. So yeah, that's it. Peace.